The Fed now says a soft landing is possible. Hey, it's Eric Osses here with ericismybanker.com and CMG Home Loans with my weekly update on mortgage rates for the week ending July 28, 2023. Well, since March of 2022, we've been forecasting a recession as the Federal Reserve has hiked rates 11 times in their effort to quell runaway inflation, but still no recession. Inflation is indeed waning, but last Wednesday the Fed hiked another 0.25%, raising the federal funds rate from 0.25% clear back in March of 2022 all the way up to 5.25% today. Comments from Fed Chairman Jerome Powell after the meeting were a little bit less hawkish than in the past, but still hinted at future rate hikes this year. But in a surprise announcement, he said that the Fed staff is no longer forecasting a recession, instead predicting a noticeable slowdown. Well, a soft landing for the economy is back on the table, I guess. Well, whether it's a recession or a noticeable slowdown, a slowing economy is good for mortgage rates. We'll just have to wait a little bit longer for that to happen. For the week, mortgage rates were pretty much flat. Here are the national averages. Conventional 30-year fixed rate, 6.95%. That's up about 0.05 from a week ago. 15-year fixed rate, 6.35%, up 0.03. FHA and VA 30-year fixed rates, 6.62%. That's up 0.1 from a week ago. 30-year fixed rate jumbos, 7.01, up about 0.06 from a week ago. Moving on, did you pack on the COVID-20 or the COVID-50 or the COVID-100? I'm talking about debt, of course, not weight. Many Americans accumulated significant consumer debt over the pandemic. The interest rates are high, and those monthly payments can be crippling. And like many people, if you refinanced in the last few years, you have a nice low interest rate on your mortgage, and you're probably reluctant to refinance at a higher rate to consolidate those debts. But those credit card balances they're eating you alive, excuse the pun. We have a solution, a fixed rate home equity line of credit. Our flagship HELOC program uses blockchain technology, which allows us to approve your loan sometimes in less than 5 minutes and be ready to deposit funds into your bank account in about 5 days. Fixed rates are available with terms from 5 years clear out to 30 years. So most of you have built up significant equity in your homes over the past several years, so why not put that equity to work by reducing your overall interest costs and significantly lowering your monthly payment obligations? Reach out to me for more information on this program. Let's all work together to get rid of that COVID-20 or 50 or 100. You can call me 206-915-3742. That's 206-915-ERIC. Or email me, eric@ericismybanker.com. Or look for me on social media. Just look for Eric is my banker and you'll find me. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get these updates every week. Talk to you next week.